What is Genesis? Genesis is our NL to sound tool. Really advanced, and it has a couple of features that nobody else has. And the most important thing, it is expanding rapidly and growing by use. So this is an AI that gets smarter. The more people use it, and the more often it gets used. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to a brand new video. Today, I am pleased to show you our new performance page. This is VECTRA Genome, and I'm going to show it to you today. It has a bunch of really awesome features. As you can see, it's also quite beautiful. So let's look into it together and see what it does, because it's not only a thing to look at, it is also a thing to control VECTRA in multiple ways. I'm going to show you how. First of all, of course, it is a performance page that can be used as such. So if you want to just go through presets, then you can do that. But if you press L and you own the helix conductor, then you get this. The DNA helix becomes the synthesizer. So here you have maps that you can then use to literally travel through the DNA. And if I want to see anything, then I can like zoom in. So I can see exactly, okay, this is mod 1 curve, for example. You can select any rung and then zoom in. You can go to any section and then move in immediately, for example. So I could go to filter, drive to, and just like increase it. So it's a different way to interact with VECTRA, and it's really fun, I can tell you that. So you can go inside, okay, filter, sustain, let's put that a little bit up. It's a much more intuitive way to interact with it. What else do we got? Well, we have our maps, I told you already about that, and it's reflected down here. If I want to go to any section, let's say the FX, then I can do that very quickly. And I'm immediately in the FX section. I can also go into more close-up modes, even more close, if I want to do that. And I can also like scroll through here. If I want to do that, then I can also do that. Can move through the DNA and see what everything does and then control it. There's also a free camera mode. This is this one. So with this, you can freely control the helix. Right now I'm running this on a laptop and I'm having many other softwares open and OBS recording in a high quality, so it's still quite fluid, very fluid. So in free camera mode, everything stays the same. It's actually one of my preferred modes, I have to say, because you can just, you know, freely move around the DNA. And that was always my idea. I just made the other camera modes so that people that, you know, don't feel comfortable with moving around in 3D space or with a 3D object, you're not really moving around in 3D space. Actually, you are moving the 3D object. It's quite intuitive, actually. Then we have those assisted camera modes. But yeah, my favorite for sure is free. This will be available in the next VECTRA update. So that everybody understands how this works is everybody can access the helix. Everybody can access this. And let me tell you, creating this was work. Lots of it. Lots. And it's based on more work, etc. But everybody can access and enjoy the Helix in the next update. I'm super happy with that. And then also in the next update, everybody who wants to control the Helix via the Helix conductor, that is a add-on for VECTRA. VECTRA is an ecosystem. Some people misunderstand that part of it. And it's like, fortunately, many people do. It's an ecosystem. That means that VECTRA is continuously developing new systems. I will just show you another very important one in just a second. So it's like, this goes beyond the looks. This is actually an add-on. And very well deserved, I believe. Also, the community agrees with me on that one. It's really cheap though now in beta. And you can get it right now. Link is in the description. Alright, and now we come to the really exciting and special chapter, Genesis. Genesis is a state-of-the-art NL to sound model, and there is nothing like it anywhere right now that has the aspirations of becoming a true neural network. I will talk about this more in the future, but today I have the great honor to show it to you. So let's jump into Genesis. Genesis is a way where you can use natural human language to create and shape sounds. So VECTRA, this huge synthesizer with this incredible load of parameters, can be simply controlled via natural language. Let me show it to you. We have a couple of things that we can do here. We can just click on idea. It will give us a prompt idea. And then it will produce the sound. So let's click on a couple of ideas. You can see organic plug with woody body and gentle room, bright clean mono lead with focused tone, digital character lead with edgy tone and lively motion, smooth space lead with ambience. I'm going to go for this one. And this is always just a start. You can see immediately the genome is shifting. And VECTRA has produced 4 distinct candidates. Oops, sorry, that was me. So those are basically starting points. Let's look at the 4th. I want this one. So now we have it locked in. And now we can do more with it. So there's already like a prompt from before, from what I used in Transform. But we can now say, for example, more saturation and wider. And then it will again create 4 candidates that we can work with from our new baseline that we just have accepted. So let's see what it does. You can also see here what it understood. It understands thousands of words, sentences, and has concepts on how to generate sounds with that. So you can see here, like in this transform mode, it analyzed, okay, texture, white, saturation, drive. And then it is what it's doing. Another cool thing is that it's automatically recognizing what I want to do. If I write create, it will switch into create mode. If I write add more delay and width, so there you go. Then we click on the 4 candidates, I think, because I asked it already. As you can see, it's complying with us. It is adding more saturation, and it's adding more width, it's adding more delay. You can control many things at the same time. And you can create already thousands of sounds. It's incredibly fun, not only, of course, in Genesis, but everywhere. We can try another one in just a second, but it's just really, really fun. That's much I can say. Let's get a new idea. Alien resonant lead with animated tone. Let's generate one for that. I really like this one as a starting point. So I'm going to accept this one. But now I'm going to do another thing. I'm going to give feedback as well. So I'm going to say, I love it. You nailed it, because it is actually that. It is a resonant lead. It has also an animated tone. So I think we should, like, you know, give it positive feedback. And then I could write something else. Like, for example, really great start. It could be also something negative, of course, but in this case, I'm going to make it something positive. And now this is like getting basically sent into the system. Right now, like, Genesis has learned from your decision and also from your feedback that is bound exactly to this generation. So, like, it learns from a lot of things. Even if you are not sending feedback, Genesis is still evolving and learning. Because there's so much data points from all what you did so far. So if we like that, then we can always click save preset, and like we can like then name it. I'm gonna call it animated alien lead. This one is not completely finished. Normally I would probably touch it up. A few parameters is making a huge difference. We could also theoretically do that, but I would love to show you more sounds. We can also, of course, manipulate this one. As you can see, it's switching over by itself. If I write add more chorus, it understood it and it added more. In this case, the candidates are not as dramatic, of course, but we don't have to use only the ideas. This is clear. We can also just write cinematic analog head with swirling motion. Or, yeah, what would be a great pad? Wide. Really wide. I want to have it really wide. And then, if you click generate, once again, it has created a couple of candidates. Again. Then I can say, make it more aggressive. But first I have to accept it. So I'm going to accept it. Then I'm going to transform, going to generate. As you can see, it is working beautifully. The amount of work that has went into this one, it's of course not a limited project. It's going on since a long time in the background. I can tell you that much. It's incredibly fun. The feedback is incredible. This is all coming in VECTRA 2.0. You can check it out in the deluxe version at first. Those people will get the first access. Right now it is already internally tested to great success. People love it. It's so much fun. I love it. It's incredibly fun and it's constantly growing. The pace at which Genesis is growing is just astonishing for anyone that has the honor to witness it, to be honest with you. It's incredibly quickly becoming more efficient and more better at what it is doing, and we have just like begun. It is an infant and it will be soon be a grown adult. Thank you so much for watching, and I see you guys in the next video. If you want to get access to VECTRA Deluxe with the whole ecosystem, then now's the time. Prices will increase, the beta is going to end, and I don't want to hear like complaints then, because you all had a chance to jump on on board while it is more affordable, but you can imagine how much this costs to develop, and like I'm not talking only about time expenses. So now is a great moment. If you want to jump on, then you can get 10% off with VECTRA 10 right now. You can head over to audionerds.net. That's audionerds.net/VECTRA if you want to find out more. The sales page is not as up to date as everything what you could see here, but it will be soon also updated to reflect all the new things like preset sharing and all of that stuff. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe, leave a comment, share the video with your best friend, or just put it on your Facebook timeline. I see you guys. Peace out.